TFNN. Headline News Update.
Live from TFNN headquarters, 2 o'clock Eastern time, 2 hours until that closing bell. Let's see what we have happen in the markets as we are lower approaching that closing bell for the week. Dow currently off 31 points, 22,327. Looking at NASDAQ off 3 points, 64.19, and S&P's off 1 point, 24.99 currently. Let's jump over to the VIX real quick, see what kind of volatility we have priced into this market as we approach that closing bell. Kind of hanging under that 10 level all day, 996. And we'll see as this market just kind of sputters out for the remainder of the day, if the VIX just kind of sputters out with it. What kind of fundamental news we have in the market? Apple releasing their iPhone 8 today, and some of the news making their way across the web is that lines are not as big as you might expect with the iPhone release, and maybe that has to do with the iPhone 10 coming out in another month, but Apple down 1.3% currently. Another stock making waves is Finish Line, doing well for themselves. Finish Line, quite a surge from the morning. And let's just pull up real quick. So Finish Line shares are rebounding in midday trading after their stock initially tumbled following disappointing sales and weak guidance. The company posted a 4.5% drop in comparable sales for the second quarter and said it expects sales to fall in the range of 3 to 5% for the remainder of the year. But the CEO, Sam Sato, is planning for a challenging retail environment for the near term. Second quarter results were shaped by a very promotional marketplace for athletic footwear. Either way, quite a surge, up 6.3%. Some of the other stocks, take a look at. How about Sprint and T-Mobile? Sprint up 4.8% currently, and T-Mobile up about 0.7% currently, and we'll see how those shake out toward the end of the day. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, see where some of those futures markets are shaking out. Here's our S&P 500 we'll start with, 24.96 currently, kind of in the intraday range that we've been in. NASDAQ 100, 59.27, somewhat again in that middle range. Gold, 12.98, fighting to climb above that 1,300 price point to close out the week. And natural gas, 2.96, just unable to hold that $3 price point from earlier in the week. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White coming up right now. And then, of course, Tom O'Brien to wrap up the week live at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next hour.